aside from siding with you, the Supreme Court also struck down the IRR that was published by the Duterte administration in terms of the GCTA issue back in 2019. So in general sense, sir, what does it say about our justice system and rule of law given the fact that the Supreme Court finally contradicted a Duterte order and it just so happened that it's your case?
Well, ganito po, no? Kaya nga it's very significant. Of course, I'm very grateful na sa akin nangyari to. But more than this particular case, ano siya precedent setting siya at magiging part na siya ng jurisprudence moving forward na nailagay sa lugar yung pag-aabuso ng isang presidente, no, na proteksyonan natin yung Bill of Rights, yung ating konstitusyon, para ngayon hindi na pwede in the future may gagawa ulit niyan kasi meron ka ng jurisprudence, di ba? Kaya this is very significant in that regard, no? And to think that most of these justices are actually appointees of Mr. Duterte. So what it shows is pagka hindi mo i-impluwensyahan ang hudikatura, they will decide on merits. So pagka on merits yan, yung tama ang mananaig. Dapat, all the time. Magkakaroon lang naman ng pagbabago ng ganyang pananaw pagka may mga external influences. 'Di ba? Kunyari, may third party na magpa-bribe, 'di ba? Or yun nga, yung external pressure coming from people in power. But as it is, nakita natin, it will work properly.